This lesson on academic study skills is about writing a research report. We begin with the steps to writing a research report. Then, we move on to introduce different parts of a research report. Finally, we'll have comprehension check to help review what we have learned. First, let's look at steps to writing a research report. Here are the 6 steps. First, we analyze the assigned task, including the goal, purpose, and audience. Second, we brainstorm to identify the topic, issue, or concern. Third, we research and collect information. The fourth, we sort the collected information and plan an outline. The fifth, we write a report with the outline. And finally, we edit and proofread. Step 1 is to analyze the goal, purpose, and audience of the assigned task to determine the perspectives. In Step 2, brainstorm to identify the topic, issue, or concern. We decide which issue or topic is relevant to the purpose and identify sources of information to address the issue or topic by mind mapping. In Step 3, research and collect information. We select the most credible and reliable sources. In Step 4, sort the collected information and plan an outline. We organize the information under appropriate headings and make an outline of the main points. In Step 5, we write a report based on the structure. For example, the structure of a research paper includes introduction, literature review, methodology, findings, discussion, and conclusions. Step 6, we edit and proofread to refine for accuracy and precision, and acknowledge the source with a reference. After learning the steps to writing a research report, let's move on to learn different parts of a research report. So, title page indicates the title and purpose, the details of the person for whom the report was prepared and the person who prepared the report, and the date completed. Next, table of contents shows the headings and subheadings of sections, and should be in correct heading styles. An abstract outlines the purpose, research method, findings, conclusions, and recommendations, and summarize the main ideas. Introduction outlines the purpose, context, motivation, and rationale, defines important terms and the research scope, and the existing problem or issue. Literature discusses the relevance and importance of relevant literature. Methodology explains data collection and analysis, while results or findings present the research findings with facts by using graphic forms. In discussion or analysis, we analyze findings related to the purpose and draw together different aspects of the findings and relate them to other studies to present an interpretation, analysis, and evaluation. Next, in conclusion section, we provide a brief statement of what was found and its significance. And in recommendations or implications, we propose suggestions or draw implications. Finally, in references and appendices, we provide a list of full bibliographic details using the referencing style required by the academic discipline and provide additional supporting information in appendices. After learning the steps to writing a research report and the different parts of a research report, let's move on to check what we have learned. First, please identify what to do in different steps. So, when we write a report, we need to analyze the assigned task first. Then, we brainstorm to identify the topic, issue, or concern. Next, we research and collect information, and then sort the collected information and plan an outline. Finally, we write a report with the outline, then edit or proofread. Next, Please identify the elements and purposes in different parts. As we can see, introduction outlines the purpose, context, motivation, and rationale, defines important terms and research scope, and identifies the existing problem or issue. Literature identifies relevant literature and discusses the relevance and importance. And methodology part explains how the research was conducted and outlines exactly how the data was collected and analyzed. Finally, please identify the elements and purposes in different parts. As shown in the table, in results or findings, we present the research findings, while in discussion or analysis, we analyze the findings related to the purpose and draw together different aspects of the findings and relate them to other studies. In conclusion section, we provide a brief statement of what was found and its significance, and in recommendations or implications, we propose suggestions or draw implications. Now let's quickly review what we have learned. Here are the 6 steps to writing a research report. Analyze the assigned task. Brainstorm. Research and collect information. Sort the collected information and plan an outline. Write a report. And finally, edit and proofread. And here are different parts of a research report. We summarize the report in abstract, and then we include introduction, literature, methodology, results, discussion, and finally conclusion and recommendations. Thank you for joining us for the lesson. The lesson is created by the Academic Writing Module Group at CCU and is funded by the Ministry of Education.